Hey, good morning or good day, depending on whenever it is that you're watching this video. And I was answering my messages, and I kept seeing a post about, like, not just from one person, but like from many people, talking about how to help you remove your limiting beliefs. And I see a lot of coaching programs, like how to help you remove your limiting beliefs. And that really got me thinking, because I've been doing this for many years now, and what I've realized, actually going really deep on the process of like self-improvement, because self-improvement, development personal, it has become like a sexy thing, like a trend thing, like a hot thing that everyone is like, yeah, I'm working on myself. I've read this book, I've listened to these audios. First of all, like reading a book and listening to an audio, that's just like educating yourself. But yes, educating yourself also helps you to remove, like to see where you're limited, what you don't know, so that you can improve. But only doing that is 100% not enough, because just reading a book, it just gives you, it just provides you with more information. But most of the time, what do we do with those informations? Nothing. We do nothing. We just read a book and then, wow, it was a nice book. Yeah, and then you put it on the shelf and then that's it. 5 years later, we take the same book. Oh, I read this book about 5 years ago. So what did you do with that? Nothing. So, like I was saying, I was like seeing that, okay, help me remove your limiting beliefs, and it was really funny because, like I said, 99% of the time, what you are gonna be thinking that are your limiting beliefs are not actually what's holding you back. Like, I can guarantee you, like, what you think is your limiting beliefs is 100% not what is actually holding you back. And to just illustrate this point is, I have a guy that I've been working with him for like 2 months, and when he came, like when he reached out to me and said, okay, I see what you're doing, I see the result of what you're doing, I also want to get that. My life is a mess. Nothing is working. I have like this project that I'm working on. I'm just bleeding money. My life is a KO. My relationship with my wife is not going well because of all these points. And then when he came, he said, okay, this is what it is. Man, I'm just trying this. I'm giving it my best shot. Like, I'm doing everything that I'm supposed to do, but it's not working. I mean, I know that I'm doing what I'm supposed to do, like all those points. I was just like, okay. So we had a few conversations, and then we started working together. And when he came, he said, okay, my priority is to make more money, because I need more money, because I'm in financial stress. I have to pay bills. I have so much expenses that I need to pay. My priority now is to make money. I just said, okay. Because I understood a lot that he didn't understand at that point. And I was just like, okay. So we started working together. He got the technology, the tools that we use, and also the support. So I was working with him. He was also using the tools, technology, and all the material that we have. And when we started working, he came on and said, okay, I want to make more money. How do I make more money? Because I need to solve this problem. I need to solve this. I was like, okay, now that we have started, first of all, like, the money is not the problem. He was like, what? No, but it's a problem. I need money. I was like, no, the money issue is not the problem. There are a few points that we need to work on first, and they are not even related to money, like directly. When you think about them, they have no direct relationship between money and those points. But I knew for the fact that your money situation is not like the main issue, it's not the main point. There are many points that we need to touch on them first, and I knew that those points were the priority because I had a conversation with him. That's why I always like to have a conversation with someone before like saying anything. because I don't know for you, like, what's the thing, like, what's the issue. And it's never the same thing. It's never the same thing from person to person, because we have different experiences, we have different upbringing, we have different vocabularies, we have different way of understanding things. So I had conversation with him, and then after that I knew, okay, those are the points that we need to focus on. But he was like, but I need money for some new. I'm like, yes, but we first have to work on these points. And we first started to work on those points, and after like 2 weeks, he was like, oh, okay. I kind of like feel more stable. And he got a promotion at his shop after just like 2 weeks of working. He got a promotion, a job that he has been wanting for like years. He got that promotion. He was like, okay, there's something here. And then we kept on like working together on those points. And when we reached like, we didn't even address money directly. We haven't done that yet. Like I said, we've been working together just like for 2 months. In less than 2 months, we haven't yet addressed the point of money. But last week, he shared with me one of the projects that he has been working on for like almost 2 years. And he shared with me the result that they got out of it. And he was like, this project has been stuck for like almost 2 years. And now all of a sudden, it just starts like going well. And he got like great, amazing results from that. He was surprised, like, well, I didn't expect this, right? And just to touch on that point of like, okay, I want to help you remove your blockages, your limitation, your how do they say, your limiting beliefs and stuff like that. They say it's never it. It's deeper than what you think it is. Sometimes you think that you cannot make money because it's just not working for you. You're just not lucky, but it's actually deeper than that. And what's actually holding you back, you have no idea about it. You're not even aware of it. What you think is the thing holding you back, I can guarantee you it's 99% of the time not that thing. So that's it for this video. And like I said, if you actually want to go deep on those points of like see what's it that's for you, well, you can just reach out or whatever, or share this video with someone else, or just listen that again. And yeah, and that's it for this one. Take care and talk to you later.